Ash Pollard is here and we're going to be making one of her delicious cakes, a carrot cake today.
Yes.
Everyone needs a reliable carrot cake in their life because even though it looks like there's lots of things, really it's not. Like there's a few spices, but you'll have them in the pantry already.
Very quick to make.
Yep.
Shall we get going?
Let's do it.
I need you to blend all of these ingredients together, the sugar, the eggs and the oil.
Okay.
You can use any sort of neutral oil that you like. Sometimes I use olive oil, safflower oil, you name it. I'm going to grate some carrots.
Okay. And we've always got carrots in the fridge, don't we? So
always.
That's a really nice way to use them up for sure. So 3 eggs for this recipe.
Yes.
And your oil. And I think it's the oil that makes this super moist, right?
Very moist. I think that's what is so fantastic about this cake is that it actually lasts for days, you know, because of the oil.
The oil. All right, I'll give that a really good mix. Lovely, glossy.
Okay. Now, can you please add the flour?
Yes, can do. In it goes. Try to get it all in. There we go.
And some spices.
Oh, what do you got spice-wise?
Well, we've got some cinnamon, nutmeg, and some salt and baking powder.
Easy.
And as you're putting in these walnuts, just squish them up with your hands.
Easy. I like them chunky.
But chunk away, dolls. Once you've done that, some vanilla extract.
Okay, about a teaspoon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I never measure
a little
it.
dribble.
Yep. And if you'd like to get your hands dirty on my behalf, thank you. Carrot.
Lots of carrots. That's 2 carrots. And we talk about the cake being super moist because of the...
oil, but...
Yeah, the carrots do all the work too, don't they? All right, we'll give that another good mix.
Whip around.
Here we go.
Right, so to make this really decadent, we're going to split the mix between 2 cake tins, 20 centimetres in diameter.
Yes.
And then pop it in the oven at 180 for 20 to 25. So you'll skewer it and then you'll know when it's ready.
Yeah. And just look at this batter. It's just incredible. So soft and lush. And we didn't mix that for long at all because you don't want to overwork that flour. Just bring it together. It's perfect.
This part of the cake makes it the icing, and it must be cream cheese icing. So we're going to mix up some icing sugar and some butter first and foremost.
Right.
And once those 2 are combined, then you're going to add in the cream cheese. And make sure that you blend it so that that icing sugar isn't crunchy anymore.
Yeah, and I'm going to do this on a very low speed to start with, or else we're going to get an icing sugar bomb.
Yes. I'm going to decant these.
Okay. They look good.
Cake stand, shall we?
Yep. On it goes.
That looks pretty good now, so I think go in with the cream cheese.
Easy.
I was thinking just before, though, that I mean, I'm not a perfectionist myself, and some people do like to level off their cake before they ice it and then pop the next level on, but I'm just going to leave it as is.
Yeah.
Because I kind of think when things look a little bit odd, that adds character.
Exactly. No, I agree with you. I don't worry about that. I don't want to waste any of the cake either.
Nah. No, you're not wrong.
All right, that's looking pretty good. You happy with that?
I think so. That's gorge. All right, so would you like to do the honours of this? Just plonk it on top.
Okay.
Nothing too fancy.
Oh, yes. I like how you're quite generous with this frosting. It's not just a
I
little bit.
always double the recipe.
Good.
Always.
Good idea. Okay.
And what I tend to do is I just push it out to the edges mostly, just to give it that...
Zhuzhy look?
Yeah, the zhuzh. All right.
Nice
Here
one.
we go.
Yes.
What do you think? Should I put it that way or the other way?
No, I think that way is
reckon?
good. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it looks so yum.
That looks really good.
I'm definitely going to be eating multiple bites of this.
Yes. Wow, she's pretty.
I know. In fact, this looks way better than the ones I make at home, to be
Yeah.
honest. Okay, and why don't you just top it off with some walnuts here?
Yep. Sprinkles just everywhere?
Yeah.
Okay.
That looks good. I'm actually very proud of this. This is way better than anything I've made.
I love it. I love it, and I love carrot cake. Can we have a taste?
Please.
A cup of tea with this would be fantastic. A little Earl Grey.
Oh, that is my favourite.
Yes, I like an Earl Grey.
Do you have milk in yours?
I do. I know some won't like it, but I have a splash of milk and half a sugar. Don't ask me why. It doesn't need the sugar. It's just the way I like my Earl Grey. That looks really good.
Oh my gosh.
And
You're gonna die, please. I need to see your reaction. Go, you have it first.
all right, this bit here has my name on it. And you have to have the frosting with it.
Must.
Oh, come and cook with me again, Ash. I
It
love
would
this.
be my pleasure. I would love to. And it's not too sweet, is it?
I don't like cakes that are way too sweet, and this is not too sweet. It's just right.
Thank you.